what to do. Do hit that subscribe. So guys, it's sad news for Lootlove and Reason. They have just separated, and Lootlove took it to Instagram to announce that they have just separated with Usizwe, which is Reason. It's all fun and games until you put into a position to share something you don't want to share. This happened with my pregnancy, and it's happening now again. To be honest, I would have preferred not to say anything, but here we are. I got contacted by Sandy's son, and I thought it would be best for me to say something to avoid being mosquitoed or lied about. My team and I have responded to the journalist as well. Sizwe and I have separated. However, we continue to partner gracefully in raising our beautiful kids. I think anyone going through something this complex and painful will understand why I wouldn't want anyone to have a front row seat to my grieving and healing. But with that being said, it is important to mention that Sizwe and I remain friends and really want to focus on raising our happy, healthy, and loved up baby girls. So that's what Lootlove said or confessed to the journalist, Sunday Sun journalist. So they actually separated. They are no longer together, which is just sad news, but scare. That's life. I'm out till next time. Love you.